Hello everybody and welcome to my monthly Vietnam update. In February, the VN Index saw a 6.8% increase in US dollar terms, reaching 1,252.7 points. Mainly attributed by the strong performance of stocks within the Vingroup family as well as the banking sector. However, the AFC Vietnam Fund closed the month only slightly positive, marking a period of underperformance largely attributed to its strategic choice to abstain from investing in banking stocks. Instead, the fund decided to allocate around 25% towards export-oriented companies as we expect a strong recovery in 2024. Hi, my name is Andreas Vogelsanger. I'm the CEO of the AFC Vietnam Fund. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order not to miss any updates. Thank you. Our allocation in export stocks was supported by promising data from the General Statistics Office, which indicated Vietnam's export revenue experienced its fifth consecutive month of growth. During the first 2 months of 2024, exports reached $59.3 billion, a 19.2% increase compared to the same period last year. Notably, various industries, including furniture, textiles, garments, seafood, mobile phones, computers and shoes, witnessed positive growth in the first 2 months of the year. The rationale behind the fund's confidence in export-driven companies stems from expectations of significant surge in exports this year, buoyed by lower inflation and the robust US economy, coupled with increased demand from China for Vietnamese products. Already in January, we witnessed a $4.5 billion Vietnamese export increase to China, which represents around a surge of 17.3% year on year. Additionally, the uptick in the US inventory index following its bottoming out in 2023 further reinforces our optimism as consumption strengthens. In January, the export sector exhibited notable growth, spanning the seafood, garment and furniture industries. Despite this positive trend, stock prices of export companies have yet to fully reflect the improved fundamentals we anticipate. However, there were standout performance among export companies, with notable revenue growth reported for the months. For instance, VHC recorded an impressive 100% increase, while TNG saw a remarkable 64% growth, and FCM also delivered strong performance. These outstanding results across different sectors highlight the favorable condition and growth potential within Vietnam's export market. Well, let's talk about the Year of the Dragon. Chinese zodiac fortune predictions for stock markets may offer some entertainment value, but it's important to recognize that the market dynamics are complex and multifaceted. While there might be occasional alignments between Feng Shui forecasts and financial science, relying solely on Feng Shui for market predictions overlooks the comprehensive analysis required for successful investing. The market is constantly evolving, influenced by a myriad of factors that demand careful examinations from various perspectives. While Feng Shui adds an interesting dimension to forecasting, seasoned investors understand the necessity of employing diverse tools and methodologies to navigate market complexities effectively. Regardless of one's belief in Feng Shui, our traditional financial analysis, 2024 holds promising opportunities for investors in the stock market. The Year of the Dragon, particularly the Year of a Wood Dragon, like 2024, historically hold significance for stock markets, as observed in past cycles. Associated with strength, power, good fortune, and success, the dragon symbolizes optimism for market performance. However, investors should also acknowledge the potential for increased volatility, considering the dragon's association with chaos if untamed. The stock market outlook for 2024 remains cautiously optimistic, contingent upon factors such as the US economy's trajectory, Federal Reserve's policy, and global political developments. Additionally, favorable conditions in the Vietnamese market, including loose monetary policy, macroeconomic stability, and growth in real economic activity, suggest a promising year for investors, particularly in the stock market. With these factors in mind, 2024 presents opportunities for investors to navigate market dynamics and capitalize on potential growth perspective. January's uptick in the Purchasing Managers Index, or short PMI, to above 50 from 48.9 in the previous months signals a positive turn in Vietnam's manufacturing sector. This improvement was driven by an increase in new orders, bolstering entrepreneurs' confidence to ramp up production. The surge in demand, both domestically and from export markets, has spurred enterprises to import more material and rehire employees. These efforts have also been buoyed by a conducive low interest rate environment. With leading rates down by 50% from a year ago, currently hovering around 7.5% to 8%, businesses are experiencing reduced debt burdens, fostering greater confidence to expand operations. As we progress through the Dragon Year, this trend is expected to continue its upward trajectory, further bolstering economic growth and stability in Vietnam. Hi, this is all from me. Thank you very much for listening, and you're gonna hear from me again next month with another update. Thank you and goodbye.